to pay Uber Eats with Apple Pay. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to pay in your Uber Eats app with your Apple Pay. So first of all, just open your Play Store or your Apple Store, and after that just download the Uber Eats application in your smartphone, and after that just open the application. And once you are in the app, just select the item that you want to purchase and eat later on. So for example, I have already selected an item and it is in my card. So just select the item, and after that just click on view card. And here right beside the place order, you will see the option called payment methods. So just click on it. In order to pay on your Uber Eats with your Apple Pay, you need to have your Apple card handy with you. So in the card section, you will see the option called add credit or debit card. So just click on it, and on this page you have to mention your card name, which is Apple Pay card, and after that you have to enter your card number and the expiration date, and just select the nickname of your card. And once you're done entering your Apple card details, just click on make payment, and this way your payment will be done through your Apple Pay card. And that's how you will be able to pay your Uber Eats with Apple Pay. I hope you find this video to be helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.